Hello friend. Generally used optical instruments are telescope or microscope. And in these optical instruments, there are two lenses. One lens is kept toward the object. That lens we call it as objective. And the image formed by the objective is seen through the another lens which is toward the eye, hence it is known as eyepiece. Now here, this objective forms the image of the object in the form of diffraction pattern. Now here, first of all we have to see the resolving power of microscope. For this purpose, let us suppose that AB is a objective, that means the aperture of the objective of the microscope. Let there are two physically separated objects O and O dash which are separated by a small distance A. Let here I and I dash are their corresponding images formed by the objective AB of the microscope. As here, this objective is circular aperture, it acts as a circular aperture, therefore here the diffraction pattern of the images given by the objective is in the form of array disk or array ring. And according to Rayleigh, the two images of the objects are just separated or just resolved when the central maxima of one diffraction pattern coincides with the first minima of the other diffraction pattern or vice versa. Let here the angle made by this point object O with the objective is a 2 alpha. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha as shown in this figure. Now here, if these two objects are non-luminous, that means dark object, and so as to view them through the microscope, this non-luminous object is illuminated by some light. Let lambda is the wavelength of that light in air, and so as to eliminate the reflection, these non-luminous objects are kept in some transparent medium of refractive index n, and if lambda n is the wavelength of light in that transparent medium, then here, as we know that refractive index of the medium in terms of wavelength is equals to the ratio of wavelength of light in air to the wavelength of light in medium, hence lambda n is equals to lambda upon n. Now for resolution of the images, or for the condition of resolution for the images, the minimum separation between the 2 point object, so as to just resolve by the objective, the path difference between the two light waves should be equals to twice a sin alpha, that should be equals to lambda n, and from this here the minimum distance between the two non-luminous objects so as to just resolve is equals to this much, where an A is known as the numerical aperture of the objective of microscope, and that is equals to n sin alpha. It depends upon the refractive index of the medium in which the objects are kept. And the reciprocal of this minimum distance is known as the resolving power of microscope. Therefore, here resolving power of microscope is equals to twice numerical aperture upon lambda. If these two objects are self-luminous, That means here if they are a bright object, they emit the light with their own. And if lambda is the wavelength of light, they are emitted in air. And if, so as to minimize the reflection, if these two self-luminous objects are kept in a medium of wavelength lambda of refractive index n, then in that medium, if lambda n is the wavelength of light emitted by these objects, then here the minimum separation between these two self-luminous objects just so as to just resolve according to Abbe's theory of erasing, the path difference between these two should be equals to twice a sin alpha, and that should be equals to, according to Abbe, 1.22 lambda n. Or here the minimum separation between these two self-luminous objects, that is equals to, from this equation, 1.22 lambda upon 2 times numerical aperture, or it is equals to 0.61 lambda upon numerical aperture, and the reciprocal of this gives the resolving power of microscope for self-luminous object. Hence here for self-luminous object, resolving power of microscope is equals to twice numerical aperture upon 1.22 lambda, or numerical aperture upon 0.61 lambda. Now here, so as to increase the resolving power of microscope, either in case of non-luminous or self-luminous object, the resolving power depends upon the wavelength of light used and the numerical aperture. Therefore here, so as to increase the resolving power of microscope, the wavelength of light used should be small and the numerical aperture should be large. That means here the refractive index of the medium in which the two objects are kept is large. And here we define the resolving power of microscope as the reciprocal of minimum separation of the two objects so that their images as produced by the microscope are just resolved.